Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus package update. Y'all, we know the children in Washington are still out for recess. So there's not a whole lot of changes happening right now. But a big change that's about to start happening, and sports is coming back. Y'all, I've never been really big into ball games. In fact, I could be watching them on TV and I couldn't tell you what they're doing. I'm totally retarded when it comes to ball games. I don't know anything about it. But I know a lot of people that lives and breathes ball game. And they're going to be happy to see it coming back. People need that. It's an outlet for them. Music is mine. Other people has ball games. We all have our little things that makes us happy. I'm glad to see sports is coming back for the people that needs it. Liability protection. That's one of the components that's in the bill that they're trying to get passed. Y'all, I said time this all started. I told my wife, I said, can you imagine when this is over? All of those crazy, scammy, scummy TV lawyers going to be trying to get people to make these bogus cases so they can make money and get rich off of it. I'm glad to see this is in the package, and I hope they get that passed. Because we don't need to be having all these lawyers on TV trying to get all these cases. And I mean, there's a chance of you getting coronavirus if you go out in public. If you go out in public, you're taking that chance. It's up to you to protect yourself. The CDC has said that deaths from coronavirus is less than 1%. It's actually 0.4%. That's less than the common cold. But yet, we're locked down everywhere for the coronavirus. Cold season's right around the corner. Are they going to lock us down again? Just something to think about. They're controlling us every move we make. Every day we go by, they're controlling everything we do. Y'all, I'm going to put this out on the line right now. I'm going to say what everybody else is thinking. And I'm talking to the politicians right now. Every one of y'all, I'm letting you know now. My vote come November is for sale. It's for sale to the highest bidder. Whichever side of the party lines helps us the most get through this thing, guess what? You got my vote. So if you want my vote, sign the papers. Y'all, I've never been much on the conspiracy theory thing, Big Brother's watching you, but I'm beginning to really get into this. You don't think Big Brother is watching us? Think about this. Your cell phone, 5G. All the 5G towers around town. You've got a device in your pocket. They can ping it at any time they want to. And they know where you're at and what you're doing. They could probably listen in on what's going on around you through that phone. If you don't think they're watching, they are. Back a couple of years ago, I had a computer breakdown. And I called Hewlett Packard. Hewlett Packard, when I was on the phone with them, they took over my computer. The cursor was moving, clicking from page to page, and I was just sitting there. I was doing nothing. They took over my computer. Now, if they can do that, they can also take over the camera and the microphone too. And if they can take over your computer, what can they see inside your computer? All of your important documents, all of your important information is in your computer. They can see it. We all have Alexis in our home. We can just speak and tell Alexis what we want, and she does it. We tell her to turn the light on. We tell her we want a brighter light, a dimmer light. Tell her to turn the TV on, change the station. Whatever we tell her, she hears it. And she responds. Now, you can't tell me that they don't hear everything that goes on in your house. Just another way Big Brother is watching us. They can get into that device. There's no need to be lonely anymore. One night, I sat and had a conversation with Alexis, and I played 1,000 questions with it. It was really fun. You ought to try it sometime. So, if you ever say you're lonely, it's your own fault if you got Alexa. Y'all, they already use this stuff against us. And in the years to come, it's just going to get worse and worse. So, do things to protect yourself now, like cover up the camera on your computer with a piece of tape. Turn off your microphone. Do little things that you can protect yourself. Now, it's not going to protect yourself 100% because they've got ways of getting in. And as long as you got a smartphone, they got you. I don't have a smartphone, thank God. All I got is just a regular pay-as-you-go dial phone in my pocket because that's all I need in my pocket. I don't need to carry around a computer. I got 6 of them in my house. Y'all, I hope we get some good information soon. Right now, they're out to recess. They're playing their games. President is playing golf. I seen yesterday, the SpaceX space rocket was about to go off. President, y'all know I love President I'm behind times. President Trump. But he did a flyby with Air Force One just to see the space rocket on the launch pad. How much did that cost us? Something to think about. Now, if he was going somewhere important and he just happens to pass by there, that's fine. But if he said, hey, let's go get in Air Force One and go look at the space rocket, that's something to think about. Y'all, I love y'all. Please come back tomorrow. I'll have another stimulus update for you. I hope I got more information for you about the stimulus check and stimulus package. But until then, just know I love y'all and please subscribe. Ciao.